So after this 24-hour period expires, we need to rethink, okay, well, maybe they weren't ready to subscribe. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, I oftentimes want to actually get into the platform and take a look at it before I decide to subscribe. And even though the value we give on the offer is a 3x of the value of the subscription, giving them additional time with us, we throw in what we call our concierge support setup. It's a $250 package that's being thrown into that. Even though we've offered them something really valuable, well, maybe they still just want to actually look at the platform first. So at the 18-hour mark, we give them what Alex would call a down sell. I'm just going to put a little down arrow. Now, this down sell, which kind of looks like a smiley face, is actually saying, hey, I know that you just started a trial. Maybe now is not a really great time for you to subscribe. Maybe you actually want to look at it. But what if I could still help you complete task 1? And so I offer up to actually import that CSV for them, both completing task 1 and moving forward. But what I remove is that concierge support setup by only doing the contact database import. Now, what that does for us is it immediately gets their card on file. And the power in having their card on file is it makes the experience for them much easier a little bit later. Now, we are also charging for this because this is going to cost me and my team some time, but it's definitely not the cost of the subscription, and it's definitely not the value of the concierge support setup. So what we're doing is we're charging $39. That's just the base value of the time that it costs our team to get the CSV, to sit down, clean up the data, to get it imported. And then the added benefit to our company, reciprocity, I benefit you. I get your CSV imported into your contact database. I complete task 1 for you. And then also I have your card on file. That's going to make subscription a little bit easier later. So we're doing 2 things here. We're offering up the same result that we offered up before. And the reason for this is I know that the people who actually get their contact database into SAM are the people, once they subscribe, who are most likely to build success because they've already taken the biggest step, getting their contact database in. So that's why that's task 1. But then it's also being downsold the solution of actually helping them get it in there. And we do it by giving them just a small payment fee that it covers the cost to my team. And then it also allows us to have their card on file. Now, the reason for that, we don't do card on file with our subscription. Some of you guys, if you have technology companies, if you're watching this, maybe you do card on file. But a lot of times I found that there is a barrier to entry when you try to collect payment information and then offer something free. So what we're doing is we're offering it for free, and it truly is free. But if you would like a little bit of help, I'm going to charge you for the time, and I'm going to have your card on file. That's going to help me later, right? So now that we have this goes at the 18-hour mark. So the offer to actually take that fast action bonus is still live, but it's almost about to expire. Maybe it lights a little bit of fire under you to actually go and take the fast action offer. Maybe you end up taking the down sale offer. Either way, you're going to become a customer, or you are going to get task 1 taken care of in both capacities, and I have your card on file. That will help make your subscription a little bit easier later. So after that,